What's up guys, it's Nitya. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you all how to make this very simple painting. So let's get started. For this I'm using a canvas and its size is 8 inch by 8 inch. Now we'll divide this into half and draw a line. And now I will draw the sun and the moon and the tree. I will also be drawing some grass and a few birds. Now we'll be painting on the right hand side. So for that I'll be using white, yellow and orange. We'll paint the sun in white and then start applying yellow around it. And around the yellow we will apply orange. And now we'll blend it. And now we'll paint the remaining part in orange. Now we'll do the clouds. So for that I'm using the small size flat brush and white. Now mix white with orange and apply that below this. Now merge both of them together. Now we'll do the other side. So for the other side I'm painting the moon in white and the remaining in blue. Here I am using the dark blue shade. And now we'll make some strokes of white and teal blue like so. Now we'll make the clouds. Once it's completely dry, we'll make a few splashes of white. So here I'm taking some white and I've added some water into it. And now we'll make some splashes like so. Now I'm taking some black and now we'll do the tree. For the tree, I have used 00 number brush, 0 number brush and 2 number brush. Now by using a flat brush, we'll make the leaves. Now we'll do the birds and then we'll do the grass. For the birds, I use the 00 number brush. Now for the grass, I'm using a small flat brush. And it's ready. That is it for this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.